Hello dear viewers, in this video, I will tell you about the life of wolves. Watch to the end, and you will learn even more interesting facts about the life of wolves. Enjoy watching. Wolf is the most mysterious animal alive today. Its lifestyle and habits often leave people wondering what kind of animal it is. A ferocious predator or a loyal and faithful member of his pack. Although there are many legends and fairy tales about the wolf, to find out who he really is possible only from the research of scientists and their scientific robot. But not to spend a lot of time on the selection of appropriate literature, we have collected 20 interesting facts that will help you find out who the wolf is in fact. The wolf brain is 30% larger than that of a dog, which means that the wolf is able to remember more necessary information than its close relative. The pack leader always walks ahead of his pack with his tail held high. The size of the animal in the pack hierarchy is not as important as the character. The wolf's position in the pack depends largely on self-confidence. The fur of wolves consists of two layers, the undercoat and the top stiff hair. The undercoat keeps the animal warm in cold weather, while the top coat provides color and water repellency. The pack is always led by an alpha male and an alpha female. The lowest position in the pack is held by the omega, a male and female with a softer temperament. The largest wolf was shot in Ukraine in the Poltava region. Its weight was 86 kilograms. The coloration of wolves often corresponds to the places in which they live. For example, desert wolves have a reddish hue, tundra wolves have a white hue, and forest wolves range from light gray, gray-brown to black. The older wolf in a pack is not always the leader, he can fulfill the role of omega as well. All cubs at birth have blue eyes, but after 2 to 4 months, the color of the eyes of pups changes to golden yellow. Only rarely do wolves have blue eyes for life. Wolves have their own system of communication. They use howls, whimpers, grunts, growls, yapping, barks, and even different movements to communicate. The wolf can run at 65 kilometers per hour and jump up to 5 meters in height. The offspring of an alpha female and an alpha male are raised and fed by the entire pack. Between neighboring wolf clans there are frequent clashes for territory. In such fights usually not the whole pack is killed, but only its leaders. The territory of one family occupies 30 to 60 kilometers superscript 2. During the night the wolf can walk a distance of 80 kilometers. It has been proved that the wolf has better mental abilities than the dog. Scientists at the Vienna Veterinary University conducted an experiment involving 15 puppies and 14 wolf cubs at the age of 6 months. All of the animals in the experiment were shown how a trained dog used its teeth and paws to open a wooden crate of food. Then each puppy could try to cope with the same task himself. The result amazed the scientists. Only 4 tykes cope with the task, but all 14 wolves were able to open the box, using the same methods as the trained dog. The experiment proves that the wolf cubs are good at remembering and learning. The largest wolf pack can consist of 40 individuals. In North America, wolves with black hair color are often found. As scientists have determined, this color is atypical for the wolf. This mutation was the result of crossing a wolf and a dog, which eventually led to hybrids. Wolves were once one of the most common terrestrial animals. The original range of wolves consisted of most of the northern hemisphere, from the Arctic to 20 degrees south latitude, which runs through southern central Mexico, northern Africa, and southern Asia. However, due to habitat destruction, environmental change, human persecution, and other barriers to population growth, wolves are now found only in a few areas of the United States, Alaska, Canada, Eurasia, and Mexico, a small population. They occupy a wide variety of habitats, from Arctic tundra and forests to prairies and arid landscapes. They cannot be found only in deserts and rainforests. Wolves are the largest species of wild canines. Wolves vary in size mainly according to geographic location, with members of southern populations usually smaller than northern populations. Overall body size, from tip of nose to tip of tail, ranges from 1 to 1.3 meters in males and 0.87 to 1.17 meters in females. The tail size varies from 35 to 52 centimeters in length. The body mass of males ranges from 35 to 80 kilograms, while that of females ranges from 23 to 55 kilograms. Height, measured from the base of the paws to the shoulder, ranges from 60 to 90 centimeters. The distance between the canines is about 4 centimeters. The smallest species weighing only 14 kilograms have settled in the Middle East. The largest species reaching a body weight of 75 to 80 kilograms inhabit Canada, the Russian Federation and Alaska.